Property lawyers versus conveyancing services. Which one is better for home buyers? Most home buyers get this wrong by assuming buying a property is just about signing contracts, but the surprising truth is that the legal process is critical to protecting your investment. Choosing between a property lawyer and a conveyancing service can make a big difference in both security and peace of mind. Conveyancing services are specialists who handle the administrative and procedural aspects of property transfers. They prepare contracts, conduct basic checks on titles, and facilitate the exchange of funds. For example, if you're buying a straightforward residential property with no complex clauses, a conveyancer can efficiently handle the transaction at a lower cost. However, their scope is limited, and they may not provide detailed legal advice or representation if disputes arise. Property lawyers, in contrast, offer comprehensive legal guidance. They can review contracts for hidden risks, negotiate terms, and represent you if issues occur, such as boundary disputes, unusual covenants, or problems with planning permissions. For instance, buying a property with shared ownership or leasehold arrangement often requires legal interpretation that only a lawyer can provide. Lawyers are also crucial when purchasing high-value or commercial properties. So, which is better? If your purchase is straightforward and low-risk, conveyancing services can save time and money. But if the property involves complexities, potential legal disputes, or significant financial investment, a property lawyer ensures full protection and advice. The key takeaway is that buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you'll make. Understanding the differences between conveyancers and property lawyers allows you to choose the right professional for your situation, protecting your investment and avoiding costly mistakes. The right legal support gives you confidence and security throughout the buying process.